Engineers from across Europe are working together to save energy and recover valuable resources from metal processing plants like this. But how do they take their innovations from the laboratory to the factory floor? Let's find out. The galvanizing business involves hot and arduous work, turning corroding steel into protected metal using baths of hydrochloric acid and molten zinc. It's also a business which EU researchers believe they can make cleaner and greener. This factory, run by Sicilian firm Zinc, is one of their test grounds. The goal is to find a new way to recondition and recycle the used acid from this plant. Right now, doing that is a significant overhead.
We are in Sicily, and the main problem for us is that the treatment plants for waste solutions are located in northern Italy. So there is a very high cost of disposal because of the distance. Moreover, these large quantities create a considerable environmental impact, both for the quantities of acid that we have to buy and for the quantities of waste that have to be disposed of.
The answer may well be this new machine. Built by the EU's Eurochem project consortium, it can recycle 20 to 40 litres of used acid per hour and extract the valuable metals dissolved within it.
These acid solutions are introduced into this innovative plant, which then extracts the various valuable components from the solutions, separating them into acid, which can be reused, and salts, which can then be precipitated into recyclable material. That can then be sold. The wastewater no longer has to be disposed of, but is completely recycled.
Meanwhile, at the University of Palermo, scientists are working to improve the acid treatment system, which combines the latest dialysis and membrane technology to act as a kind of sieve or filter.
The objective of these experiments is to study the efficiency of the membranes in the regeneration of the acids.
In theory, the membrane should stop positively charged ions of iron, zinc or copper in the acid from passing through. But they found that isn't always the case.
In general, there is a very good recovery of the acid. But experimentally and in reality, yes, they don't always stop all of the salts.
Moving towards industrial scale is exactly what this project team visiting the plant is aiming to do. Outstanding questions include the lifespan of the membranes and whether the Eurochem system will need dedicated staff.
The good thing about the technological approach is that it has a high universality, i.e., not only can it be used at this location for these solutions, but in many industrial processes that have similar problems, such as in stainless steel production and in circuit board production or electroplating. This process can be applied anywhere.
Zinc will give its verdict soon on how the Eurochem machine performs, while two SMEs in the project are working on commercializing the system.